How to fix photos not showing on Messenger in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option Messenger. Now click on Messenger and then here you can see Photos app. If you can't find here Photos option, then go back and open your Messenger and then open any chat, and then here you can see the gallery option. Now click on it and then click on allow full access. Now go back to your settings and here you can see the Photos option. Now click on it. If you have limited access, then it will send a selected photos, and if you select full access, then it will give full access of your photos. After that, go back and click on general and then click on iPhone storage and click on Messenger. Now here you can offload your app. It will free up storage used by the app, and after that reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.